Got mold or mildew? The debate rages on. DIY or professional removal? DIY seems cheaper, but is it worth the risk? Mold and mildew are sneaky, spreading spores that can harm your health and home. Without proper tools and expertise, you might miss hidden mold, making the problem worse. Professionals, like mold busters, use advanced equipment and proven techniques to ensure thorough removal and prevention. Mold can hide behind walls, under carpets, and in hard-to-reach places, areas often missed by DIY solutions. Even if you manage to clean the visible mold, the underlying issue might persist, leading to recurrent problems. Our team not only removes mold, but also addresses the root cause to prevent future infestations. Don't gamble with your health and property. DIY might seem like a quick fix, but it can lead to bigger issues and higher costs down the line. Trust the experts to keep your environment safe and mold-free. Book a free virtual inspection today at bustmold.com or through our mold inspection app and let the experts handle it.